Are you tired of your current TV service? It's time to discover the best IPTV services for 2026. First, look for providers that offer trial access. Many reputable IPTV providers, like King IPTV, allow you to sample their service for 24 or 48 hours, which can help you judge quality before committing. Next, check the channel lineup.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Whenever you're calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you'll always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching
Services like Fubo offer over 400 channels, perfect for sports lovers. But remember, channel availability can depend on your location. Avoid falling into the trap of cheaper services with limited channels. Look for reviews comparing providers, like Zenora IPTV and Stremsi, to help you identify the most stable options. When you've narrowed it down, consider the subscription plans.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Whenever you're calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you'll always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching
A good plan should offer flexibility, like monthly or quarterly subscriptions. And don't forget about customer support. The best IPTV services should have responsive support to assist you whenever needed. Finally, remember that the best IPTV provider, like our favorite at 2TV Store, combines quality, variety, and dependability. Check the pinned comment for the link to explore more about this top choice.